It's October! Yes, the spoopy season. So I figured today we'd do the Addams Family song. Now you only need to know 3 chords for this. C chord, that's your 3rd finger on the 3rd fret on the bottom string, your A string. Just a down strum. You'll also need to know the F chord, which, as you can see, needs 2 fingers. 1st finger, 1st fret, on the 2nd to bottom string. It goes goats can eat anything, G, C, E, A. So you want that on the 2nd to the bottom, the E string. Your 2nd finger goes on the very tippy top string on the 2nd fret. 2nd finger, 2nd fret. Perfect. And then there's one more chord you need to know. Now if you leave your 1st finger where it was, on that 1st fret, 2nd string to the bottom, all you gotta do is move your 2nd finger, still on the 2nd fret, but now it's gonna be on the 2nd string from the top. That's going to be the C string. And your 3rd finger is also gonna be on that 2nd fret, but on the very bottom string, that A string. So it goes here, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so from the F, move this finger here, add your 3rd finger. That's a G7 chord. Woohoo! 3 chords. Now the Addams Family also has a really goofy thing, the da-da-da-dum. You can actually do that all on one string, the very top string, the G string. And for this, you're gonna go open string, G, 1st finger, 2nd fret, 3rd finger, 4th fret, 4th finger, 5th fret. So open, 1st on 2nd, 3rd on 4th, 4th on 5th. Fancy. I'll take a little practice to do that. But the chorus goes just like so. You'll start with the C. They're creepy. Then you go to the F. And they're kooky. Then you go to G7. Mysterious. Back to C. And spooky. They're all together. Back to F. Ookie, then G7, the Addams Family, and end on Lee, C. C for Lee. And we're gonna repeat that pattern. So it'll sound like this. They're creepy and they're kooky, mysterious and spooky. They're all together, ookie, the Addams Family. Their house is a museum. When people come to see 'em, they really are a scream. The Addams Family. So that 2nd verse is, starting on C again, their house is a, and then to F, museum. Then you go to G7. When people come to, back to C, see 'em. And you stay on C. They really are an F, scream. Back to G7. The Addams Family is on C. So altogether that goes, they're creepy and they're kooky, mysterious and spooky. They're all together ooky, the Addams family. Their house is a museum. When people come to see 'em, they really are a scream, the Addams family. And then we go on that G string. And the last verse is gonna start on C again. Okay, ready? So get a witch's to F, shawl on G7, a broomstick you can see, crawl on. We're gonna pay a, go to F, call on. And of course, G7 again, the Addams family, C for Lee. Right, so together that goes, so get a witch's shawl on, a broomstick you can crawl on, we're gonna pay a call on the Addams family. And you end it the same way you began it, with this. So all together, once you've practiced that in parts, it'll go like this. They're creepy and they're kooky, mysterious and spooky. They're all together ooky, the Addams family. Their house is a museum. When people come to see 'em, they really are a scream, the Addams family. So get a witch's shawl on, a broomstick you can crawl on, we're gonna pay a call on the Addams family. And there you have it. There's the Addams family on ukulele. You just need to know your C chord, your F chord, your G7, and remember to play on your G string, first on second, third on fourth, fourth on fifth. There you have it. Have a spoopy month, everybody. Bye-bye.